Welcome to Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling notifications from Facebook Messenger. Let's begin. Open up Messenger and tap on your profile image at the top right of the screen. Then open up Notifications and Sounds. Here you can just turn notifications off, but there is a catch. The longest you can turn them off for here is 24 hours for some crazy reason. If you want to permanently disable Messenger notifications, this is what you can do. Open up your phone's settings, go to Apps and then select Manage Apps. Locate Messenger from the list. Tap on Notifications and then Disable Notifications. This will stop all notifications from Messenger. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if it helped you and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Messenger tips and tricks.